Alright, this is a 5-piece reciprocating saw blade set. It includes blades designed for cutting metal, wood with nails, and masonry materials, making it suitable for a variety of application scenarios. The metal cutting blade was covered in detail in our previous video. In this episode, we will focus on explaining the other blades included in the set. This one is the Carbide reciprocating saw blade, designed specifically for aerated concrete and masonry-style materials. Just like the previous blades, it uses carbide with brazed-on alloy carbide teeth, but the tooth design here is completely different because the material you're cutting is different. This blade runs a 3 TCT setup with a much wider 8.5mm tooth pitch. That spacing is intentional. It allows the blade to clear dust and debris quickly, which is exactly what you want when cutting aerated concrete blocks, lightweight concrete, or similar building materials, instead of speed through metal. This blade focuses on controlled, efficient removal without clogging up. In terms of size, the blade has a total length of 228mm with a working length of 202mm, giving you plenty of reach for block cuts and deeper passes. It is also built a bit more robust with a 22mm width and 1.5mm thickness, so it stays stable and resists flex when you're pushing through abrasive materials. Compared to the 6-inch and 9-inch metal cutting blades we just looked at, this one isn't about finesse or tight spaces, it is about durability and material control. If you're doing DIY renovation work, home improvement projects, or light construction tasks that involve aerated concrete or masonry blocks, this blade makes the job much easier and more predictable. Same carbide quality, same clear UV printed markings, just omitted for a completely different application. So whether you're cutting metal, alloy steel, or aerated concrete, this lineup gives DIY users and semi-pros the right blade for the right material without jumping into full industrial clean cuts. Solid control and purpose-built performance. Next up, let me talk about 2 carbide blades made for wood with nails. Same concept, different sizes, and each one shines in its own situation. First, this is the 6-inch. It was built with carbide and uses brazed alloy carbide teeth, so it's fast, designed to handle wood with embedded nails without chewing through the blade. This one runs a 6 TCT tooth pattern with a 4.3mm tooth pitch, which gives you a nice balance. Aggressive enough to cut through framing lumber, but controlled enough when you hit nails. The working length is 126mm with a total length of 152mm, making it a great choice for tight spaces, quick cuts, and more precise control. With a 24mm width and 1.25mm thickness, it stays stable without feeling bulky on the tool. This is the blade you grab for small renovation jobs, repairs, and demolition-style wood cuts around the house. Now, right next to it is the 9-inch. Same carbide material, same 6 TCT tooth design, and the same brazed carbide teeth. So performance-wise, you get the same durability when cutting wood with nails. The big difference here is length. This blade gives you a 202mm working length and a total length of 228mm, which really helps when you're cutting thicker beams, stacked lumber, or going deeper in a single pass. It keeps the same 24mm width and 1.25mm thickness, so it still feels solid and stable, just with more reach. If the 6-inch is about control and maneuverability, the 9-inch is about efficiency and depth. Both blades are a solid fit for DIY users and semi-pros who deal with reclaimed wood framing or renovation work where nails are always hiding. Same carbide strength. Just choose the length that matches the job.